Beautiful nature space. I attended Jessica Taylor's online book launch yesterday. I was 20 minutes late, but you know, sometimes it's better to be late than never. And other times all you gotta do is turn up, and it was worth it for sure. There was about 90 people on the call or something. But yeah, you know what, it's just beautiful that we're not alone and that people know about this shit. And you know, these perpetrators, they're kind of losing, because the more we know, the more we share, the more we validate. Yeah, we're not on our own with this. I personally haven't. I didn't think I'd ever experienced stalking, but I was harassed once, and I always thought at the time it was harassment. But when someone gives you 100 missed calls in one day and sticks notes all over your bedroom door when you're living in a shared accommodation, probably defined as stalking. It's such a beautiful place here. Yeah, so I've read most of Jessica Taylor's books, so not sure if I'm gonna get her most recent book about stalking just yet, but I think I am going to be reading it at some point. So yeah, they're doing great. I was just listening to, been trying to quit drinking on and off. I started listening to Whitney Houston and Amy Winehouse, and they're a good motivator. You know, anyone who knows them, quite well known singers. Both struggled with addiction, I think it would be right to say. Yeah, Amber Heard actually made a comment about Jessica Taylor's new book about stalking. But yeah, makes me wonder how many women could it be educated? Not even educated, you know. We don't need educating. We already know this stuff, but we really good at doubting ourselves, and people around us really do reinforce that, and it all kind of plays into that oppression. So you know, women already know this stuff and are isolated with this stuff, so when we come together to discuss it, and when it's brought out for everyone to see, you know, it's a less space for perpetrators to claim, which is always a good thing. They are going to find another space to claim, but say what? I reckon the process of oppression is the process of oppression. Don't matter what oppression that is, you know, but once you understand that, yeah. Anyway, it's so beautiful around here. Hope you all have a great day, whatever you're doing today.